Need to send money from FN Bank to Capitec right now. I'm going to show you the fastest way to do it. First things first, open your FN Bank mobile app on your phone or tablet. You'll need to log in, so enter your username and password, or use your fingerprint or facial recognition if you have it set up. Once you're logged in, look for the Transact or Payments option. It's usually located on the main menu. Tap on it. In the transaction menu, you need to find the option to send money or internal transfer. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your app version, but it should be something similar. Select that option. Now you'll be presented with a transfer screen. You'll need to fill in the required details. First, choose the FN Bank account you want to send the money from. Next, and this is important for immediate transfer, select Capitec Bank from the list of recipient banks. Make sure you choose the correct bank to avoid any delays or complications. Now enter the recipient's Capitec Bank account number. Double-check that you've entered the correct number. A single-digit error can send the money to the wrong person. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Use the calculator icon if you need to do any quick calculations. Before you finalize the transfer, you'll be presented with a confirmation screen. Carefully review all the details, the account you're sending from, the recipient's bank and account number, and the amount. If everything looks correct, tap the confirm button. You'll most likely receive an OTP, a one-time password, via SMS on your registered phone number. Enter this OTP in the provided field to verify the transaction. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized transfers. And that's it. Once you've entered the OTP, you should see a transfer successful screen with a green checkmark. You can also download a receipt for your records. The money should now be in the recipient's Capitec Bank account almost immediately.